So Champ decided that he wanted to come to work with me today, and today we are at Autorama at the Dallas Car Show.
Yeah! We love the Cowboys, but that's not what we're to see. Look at this thing! Look at it! It's outside! Like, the bread inside, there's trophies all over. Like, this is crazy! Over here, this stuff. That's a lot of stuff about this one. And my mom said this is actually one of one. So that means there's only one of these cars in the world. This truck looks indestructible.
So I guess it's my turn. This will be the only one that I do, but this is Barbie's pink convertible.
Wait, that one wrong. I love this car because it's blue. But so here we have a Bandit truck, and it can go 707 horsepower. That's a lot. And it's very fast. Here's my favorite part of the car.